Hey guys, welcome back to our channel. In this tech tutorial video, we're going to teach you how you can connect or link elements in your presentations on Miro.com. So let us dive into this. So navigate to your board on Miro.com and let me go with that presentation here. So what you want to do is select the given element on your board by clicking into that select tool here. You may use the shortcut V for that. Click into your element, and after that you will see these dots surrounding the selected element. So let me connect that circle here with that text box. To do that, left click into one of these dots, hold your left mouse, and after that simply find the given element, and there you go, attached to it. You will see that dot here of the second element, meaning that both elements can now be connected. Now you can customize the connection. Let me just zoom in a bit. So you may use that customization here, for instance, and you may also move that around here, for instance, change the move, for example, the shape, and so on and so forth. So it's actually pretty funny. So again, guys, simply click into the given element. Let me connect the text box here. Select one of these dots, hold your left mouse and drag it to the second element, and release your left mouse over one of the dots of the second element. And that's basically it. Now you can, for example, change also the direction here by clicking into this button, line start and line end, and you may change the line type. For example, go with a smooth one like this, a dotted one, a lined one, connection like this, and so on and so forth. Simply left click into the connection, and after that customize it, like the color. You may add text to it and copy the style of it, and so on and so forth, even unlock the element itself. So that's how you connect elements in your Miro presentations or whiteboards. Hope you enjoyed this video, got some real value from it, and we'll see you next time on our channel.